Oh, let's go.
Ay, ang tanga, gago. Kung pinanood mo yung 90% win rate, di mangyayari yan.
Ba't first ka natalo?
Shut up, please.
Eh, kasi yung unang pinanood ko, 50-50
Apat
eh.
na sunod-sunod na bluff.
Yo, 1v1.
Walang 100% sa mundo.
Spam spacebar.
Bro, tang ina, for about this nyo, ang bading nyo.
Anong bading si Ian nga lagi
Oh my
nagtuturo
God.
sa'yo?
Okay.
Yo, Daniel, call. Fake
No.
yan.
Nah,
Nasa
bro.
yung tatlong ace eh.
I ain't Wesley.
Pussy. Mama didn't raise no pussy.
Grabe.
Go on. Pero wala eh.
Nah, I ain't Wesley.
Tangina. Paano ka mag-survive sa casino kung galon ka maglaro?
Grabe.
Nice.
Yes.
Oh, shit. Black card.
Yo, Daniel, I got you. Pressure ko siya mentally.
No.
Okay, let's go. Are you drunk?
No.
Yes, he is.
You
Bro,
sound
I
drunk.
think he wants to shit himself.
I already did.
Bro already
Ian.
Bro always
This
sounds
may
like he's
seem
constipated.
crazy.
Lie yan.
Damn. Yeah, I wonder if this is the truth.
This may seem crazy.
Liar.
Eh, wag
Wait,
naman yung
Daniel,
ganon.
alam mo din yan, kitang-kita niya na there's only a possibility for 3 aces, right? And he knows
Oh
na
my
he
God.
has aces in his hand as well.
Yeah, wag
Do you
naman yung
understand?
ganon. Wag naman yung